Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Priya Mishra Shekhawat.
author of.
No one likes to be lonely.
Before we begin, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Absolutely wonderful. I am so glad and honored that my book is presented here. And it is a place where book lovers get to meet creators. So it is fantastic.
So ma'am, getting into your book, what do you think makes your children's book stand out in, amongst other children's books?
I would say one thing for sure that the books that I've written, it is pertaining to issues that children of today on regular basis feel. Even
Right.
though I am saying that it is catering for children, but it is about everyone else.
Right.
Because loneliness is something that people from different ages suffer from. So I think that is what makes it different, because it's not only for the children from 5 to 15, but
Right.
anybody who picks it up from the age from 5 to 80 will relate with it.
Can you tell us some memorable things that children who read this have told you?
So this is just recently released,
Okay,
actually
right,
just last week. But I had an opportunity to read it to my son, who is 13-year-old,
Right.
and obviously,
Focus grouping the book.
yeah. So he loved it. He gave me bits of his critique as well, but he absolutely loved it.
So, to our budding community of writers,
Yeah.
what would you, what one piece of advice would you?
Be very genuine with your thought process, and write what comes from your heart.
That's very nice, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing
Thank you
your
very
experience
much.
with us. I hope you have a wonderful
Thank
book
you
fair.
so much. Thank you very much.